mountains to climb.
There are many oceans to swim.
Oceans to swim.